guys, so for today's video is gonna be very simple and short video. Right here I'm just removing my previous set and I won't be applying any new nail tips. I'm just gonna file down the colors or the nail design and keep the nail tips in a little layer of gel. Like I'm not gonna remove all of it so I can still use my nail tips. And after that, I'm gonna be applying a layer of builder gel on top of my nail tips just to make them a little bit stronger, and then applying the new nail design. So tell me guys, what do you think of my videos so far? If you like them to be shorter, longer, with more details. In this one, I did have a mistake where I didn't film my second hand because obviously, again, my phone either dies or the memory is too full and I need to be deleting the previous videos like earlier in the day while filming so I can film the ending part of the video. But yeah, I just showed one hand design in this video. In the other hand, I did the exact same thing. It just I used a purple color gel first, and then on top of it a purple reflecting cat eye gel, and then with the stars and rhinestones. So both hands were exactly the same, just one hand was blue, the other was purple. And I also noticed that the stars were constantly peeling off. Even after top coating my nails, the stars would still peel off. So I think to have a better retention of the stars, maybe after gluing them on the nails, applying another coat of maybe base gel or builder gel on top of the stars or the whole nail, depending how you like it better, and then the top coat. But yeah, like doing that will make your nails very chunky. So either try to have your nails like not so chunky, kind of flat before doing the design, and then apply a thick layer on top of everything, the stars and rhinestones, or else the nails will look very chunky. So here I finished with filing down my nails. I am going to apply a base gel, even though I heard or I saw on TikTok that when having nail tips you don't have to use a base gel on top of them because they're nail tips, they're plastic, so they don't need the base gel to hold on to the other gels to attach it to the nail tips, if I'm explaining myself. So here I'm using a hard gel from IBD. This hard gel, supposedly it doesn't soak off with acetone, so it's a very, very strong hard gel. I've been loving it so far. I've been loving it so much. Since I've started using it, my nails never lift after using this hard gel. They stick onto my nails so good, and also I clean my nails with 96% alcohol or 99% alcohol. 70% alcohol doesn't work on my nails. I need to clean them with 99% alcohol for better retention. I use that and the hard gel, and the nail tips, they never lift or pop off, and they can last me a whole month. So here I'm using this jelly blue color from Born Pretty, It's very transparent, and if I wanted to use it alone, I would probably do 2 coats or 3, because I hate when it's transparent, your natural nail underneath the nail tips. So here I'm using this cat eye gel from AliExpress, and it has like bluish glitters. Here I'm activating the glitters, which is not very visible, but it's showing something. It looks very glittery, very shimmery, which is the goal. And here, after curing the cat eye, I did a coat of base gel, not cure it, and then apply the stars and rhinestones so they don't slide off. I needed like a layer of uncured gel to place the charms on top, and then I cured that and I top coated it, just 1 coat, which is why the stars then later on were peeling off. And this is the final video. If you can notice in the middle finger, there was a middle star there, and it peeled off and you can still see like the outline of where the star was. But yeah, that was it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and let me know what you think in the comments.